I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Sites and selecting a template. This gets you into the editor immediately. Once done, name your site at the top so every change autosaves with context. Make sure to choose whether you'll publish on sites. Google.com or connect a custom domain. Connecting a domain requires owner access and DNS steps. You'll also set basic navigation type now. These first choices determine layout and URL behavior, so pick options that match your audience and purpose before building pages. Now you add pages and populate them with content. You'll create a clear hierarchy: home, about, contact, plus any nested sections for services or blog posts. Drag and drop text, images, and Google Drive embeds. Use layout grids to maintain consistent spacing. As you work, preview on different screen sizes to ensure responsiveness. Make sure to set page-level titles and meta descriptions for clarity. If you need repeatable blocks, duplicate sections. This preserves spacing and accelerates build time. Finish by clicking Publish and picking a site address and visibility settings. You can restrict access or make it public. Once published, configure sharing for editors and confirm domain settings if using a custom URL. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours. If something fails, check permissions first, clear your browser cache, and verify DNS records with your registrar. If embedded Drive files won't show, set file sharing to anyone with link. After resolving issues, republish and verify the live site on multiple devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.